Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a magnificent unfinished 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom house for sale, located in the gated community of Mammee Bay Estate, St. Anne. This house sits on 3.25 acres of land and has private beach access. This house is for the discerning buyer to complete or the savvy investor. Located close to the Rio all-inclusive hotel and close to transportation, shops, banks, schools, and about 20 minutes to Ocho Rios. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 950,000 or Jamaican $146.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.